Hello everyone. Okay, so today we are going to do time, speed and distance. Okay. So I'm waiting for more people to join in. Once more people will join in, we'll start the session. Please inform everyone. Inform everyone to join the class quickly. Okay, so in the last class, what we have done series and sequence, right? We have done series and sequence in the last class. Yes, this is maths class. Inform your friends to join in. Guys, please come join in time. Our class is at 2 p.m. Come on time. Okay, should we begin the session? Okay, let's start with the session. All right. So, time, speed, and distance. So, I hope all of you know the basic formula. What is the basic formula? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, this is formula number 1. The same formula can be written as distance is equals to speed into time, and time is equals to distance upon speed. right? So same thing can be written in 3 different ways. Note down these 3 things. This is important. Note this down. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is equals to speed into time. Time is equals to distance upon speed. Okay. Note this down, everyone. Okay. Now, let's talk about units. Units. Okay. So what can be the unit for distance? We can measure distance in kilometer. We can measure the distance in meter. We can measure the distance in miles. Okay, so kilometer, meter, and miles. Okay, what are the units for time? Time can be calculated in hours, can be calculated in minutes, can be calculated in seconds. Okay, so unit of distance is kilometer, meter, miles. Unit of time is hour, minutes, and seconds. Note this down. From here, since we know our formula is distance is equals to speed is equals to distance upon time. So we can find the unit for speed also. So distance, if the distance in kilometer and time is in hour, so I will say speed unit is kilometer per hour. Okay, if the distance is in meter and time is in seconds, so I can say your speed is in meter per second. Okay, note this down. Okay, unit conversion. Conversion of unit. Let's say they have given you 5 kilometers. You want to convert it into meter. So how do? You need to know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer will be 5000 meter. Okay. So this is how you convert the unit from kilometer to meter, like this. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Note this down. Okay. Conversion of time. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Okay, so note this down also. Conversion of unit. One kilometer is 1000 meter, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Done. Yes. Okay. Now, sometimes in question, you need to convert unit of speed. Unit of speed. Okay. So we know speed has 2 different units. One is kilometer per hour or meter per second. Sometimes in question it is required for you to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second or meter per second into kilometer per hour. How will we convert? So let's say you have 1 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 1 kilometer we know how much in meter? 1000 meter. And 1 hour is in how much seconds? 3600 seconds. So 0000 cancelled out. 10 upon 36, that is 5 upon 18. So I can say that 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is important. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. And they can ask you vice versa also. So 1 meter per second is equals to reverse it 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is also important. This type of calculation we will do in trains, question related to trains. Question related to trains, we need to convert speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second or meter per second to kilometer per hour. So note this down. This is important. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second and 1 meter per second is equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Done. Convert 54 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Convert 54 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Yes, correct. So what I will do, I know that from converting, I need to multiply by 5 by 18 to convert in meter per second. So 54 into 5 by 18, calculated. 18 threes are 54. So I will say 15 meter per second. 54 kilometer hour converted into 15 meter per second. Okay. Second, convert 10 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Convert 10 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay, how will I do this? I know that 1 meter per second is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So what I will do? 10 into 18 by 5. Ten into 18 by 5. Wait a minute, my pen is not working. Yes. 36 kilometer per hour. Everyone got it? How to do this type of questions? Yes. Okay. Now let's do few questions. Question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, everyone is giving me the correct answer. Okay, let's do question number 1. What is the formula for speed? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is how much? 600 meter upon time. Time is 5 minutes. I will rather put seconds. So 5 minutes into 60 is 300 seconds. So I will write 300. So it means I got 2 meter per second. Correct? This is 2 meter per second. But the question is asking you kilometer per hour. So 2 into 5 by 18. Correct? Oh, sorry, 18 by 5. Kilometer per hour, 2 meter per second, 18 by 5. So 2 into 18 by 5. 7.2. So 7.2 kilometer per hour. Done, everyone? First one. Okay. Question number 2. Let's find distance first because speed is given. Speed is given to you. And time is given to you. So distance is equals to speed into time. Speed is how much? 240 kilometer per hour, and this is hour. So no problem, same unit. 240 into 5. 240 into 5 is how much? 1200 kilometers. This is your distance. Should be the speed. To cover the same distance in 1 hour, what should be the speed? So 1200 speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is how much? 1200. And speed is how much? Oh, sorry, or time is how much? 1 hour. So speed should be 1200 kilometer per hour. All the options are wrong here. All the options are wrong. The correct answer is 1200 kilometer per hour. All the options are wrong. Question number 2, correct answer is 1200 kilometer per hour. Done, everyone? Okay, moving to the next question. Read the question carefully and tell me which thing is not changing. There are three things: speed, time, and distance. Which thing is not changing in this question? You have speed, you have time, you have distance. Which thing is not changing in the question? No, distance is changing. He's walking 20 kilometer more. So distance is, let's say whatever be the distance is X, it is increased 20. Which thing is not changing? Time. Yes, perfect. Time is not changing. Time is constant in the question. So whenever we get time, speed, distance question, it is always advisable to find out one thing which is not changing. Because once we get it, we can equate the question easily. Now, let's say the actual distance is X. Let's say the actual distance is X kilometer. And they are saying it is increasing by 20 kilometer more. So it will become X plus 20 kilometer increased. Okay. What is the speed initially? What is the initial speed? 14 kilometer per hour. No, wait a minute. If a person walks at 14 kilometer per instead 10. So initial was 10. Later it become 40. Increased. Correct? So what is the time in first case? What is T formula? T is equals to distance upon speed. So what is T in this? 10 by X by 10. This is your time 1. What is your time 2? This upon this. X plus 20 upon 40. And since we know time is constant, it means this 2 will be equal. So cross multiply and solve it. So 14 into X is equals to 10 into X plus 20. 14X is equals to 10X plus 200. 4X is equals to 200. X is equals to 50 kilometers. Correct? So what is the correct answer? Option A, 50 kilometers. Everyone got it? Okay. Next question. Check the solution, everyone. It is the solution. Check it. Now do the next question. A train can travel 50% faster than a car. Okay, so if the speed of car is, let's say, x kilometer per hour, then speed of train 50% more means x plus 50% of x. That is 1.5x kilometer per hour. Right? The speed of car is x, the speed of train is 1.5x. Both start from a point A. Point A. Both start from a point A. At the same time, reach point B kilometer away from A at the same time. This is 75 kilometer. The distance between A and B is 75 kilometer. On the way, however, train lost about 12.5 minutes while stopping at the station. Okay, so for 12.5 minutes, train stopped for a station. Okay, so who should reach faster? Tell me, who should reach earlier? They are saying both are reaching at the same time. Both car and train are reaching at the same time on point B. But who should ideally reach fast? Who should ideally reach fast? Zishan, whose speed is more? Train's speed is more, right? So ideally, train should reach fast, correct? Yes. But it is not reaching at the same time. It means this 12.5 minutes is the lost time. Yes or no? Right? This 12 is the lost time. Correct? So it means T1 minus T2 is equals to the time lost. Okay. So T1 is 75 upon the speed of car minus T2 is again 75 upon the speed of, wait a minute. Upon the speed of train, and this is equals to the time lost. But everything is in R. This is also in R. This is kilometer per hour. This is kilometer per hour. So you have to convert it into R. Correct? 12.5 minutes is given to you. You have to convert it into R. Okay, do the calculation. If I remove this decimal, I will get 0 here. If I remove the decimal, I will get 0 here. So 75 upon x minus 750 upon 15x is equals to 125 upon 600. Okay, let me explain it again. Read the question. Read the question again. The question says that a train can travel 50 kilometer faster than a car. So let's say speed of car is x kilometer per hour. Speed of car is, let's say, x kilometer per hour. Then what will be the speed of train? Speed of train 50% faster. It means x plus 50% of x. Correct? X plus 15% of x. Calculate it. Do calculate it. X plus 50% of x. Do the calculation. Calculate it. How much speed of train I will get? Tell me the speed of train. Speed of train, tell me. Speed of train will 1.5x, right? 1.5x. X plus, there is 1 plus x plus 1.5x, right? Okay. Now read the question. Both start from point A at the same time and reach point B, which is 75 kilometer away from A. So from A, there is another point B. The gap between them is 75 kilometer. Okay. So both are starting from here. Train is also going and car is also going and reaching the point B at the same time. But it is not possible naturally because train speed is more. So whose speed is more? Train's speed is more. Ideally, who should reach first? Tell me, ideally, who should reach first? I'm not going to do calculation for you here. Do the calculation yourself. X plus 50% of x you cannot add. Add it simple, x plus 50% of x. X 50% of x. How difficult is to add this? X plus 50% of x. See here, everyone look here. X plus 50% of x. 0, 0 cancel. X plus 1 by 2. X LCM 2. 2x plus x. 3 by 2x. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. 1.5x. I will not do maths calculation for you guys. You have to do it yourself. Okay, so both starting from A and reaching B at the same time, but ideally train should reach first because train speed is more. The person whoever more speed will reach the destination first, right? But the question says that on the way, however, the train lost 12.5 minutes because of the stoppage. It means the gap should be of that 12.5 minutes, right? So T1 minus T2 should be of 12.5. Correct? What is time 1? Time 1 is the time required by car, time taken by car. T2, time taken by train. Time taken by car is what? X by, sorry, distance upon speed. Time T is distance upon speed. So distance is 75 upon X. This one is 75 upon 1.5x. This minus this should be equals to 12.5. Now wait a minute. This is in kilometer per hour. This is in kilometer. This is in kilometer. This is kilometer per hour. So you need to convert minute also into hour. So convert this. You cannot write 12.5. You have to write 12.5 by 16. Got it? Now let's do the calculation. How will we do calculation? Let's see. 75 upon x minus 75 upon 1.5x is equals to 12.5 upon 60. Okay, if I remove this decimal, I will get 10 in the numerator. If I remove this decimal, I will get 10 in the denominator. So 75 upon x minus 750 upon 15x is equals to 125 upon 600. Okay, divide 750 by 15. Divide 750 by 15. 50. Okay. And can I divide this by some number? I can divide both the number by 25. 125 divided by 25 is 5. And 600 divided by 25 is 24. So now 75 upon x minus 50 upon x is equals to 5 by 24. Take LCM, it will be x. 75 minus 50 is equals to 5 upon 24. That is 25 upon x is equals to 5 upon 24. X is equals to 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 24 into 5. X is equals to 120. What is the x we considered? What was the x we considered? What is the x considered? X was speed of the car. What are they asking? Speed of the car. Answer is option C, 120. Yes, that is your answer. Got it, everyone? You will get all the slides on YouTube video. How many times I have to tell you this, that all the sessions are recorded on YouTube. You can, after the class, go on YouTube, check the videos. This is all basic maths. You have to learn basic maths. I can teach you here, but I will not come in exam and solve it for you, right? I can give you the logic, but the calculation part you have to do yourself. Next question. Question number 5. Question number 6. Read the question properly. If you read the question properly, half of the question is done. Okay, you have to read the question properly. Once you read the question properly, form the right equation, half of the question is done. Okay, do this 2 questions in 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, let's do question number 5. Due to stoppage, how much kilometer it less traveling? This minus this. So 9 kilometer less because of stoppage, right? Yes or no? 9 kilometer less? Yes. So how many minutes? 9 divided by 54, correct? Kilometer upon kilometer per hour. How much this will be? 1 by 6 hour. 1 by 6 hour. Convert it into minute. 1 by 6 into 60. 10 minutes. Answer is 10 minutes. Everyone got for answer question 5? Yes or no? No problem, Arwa. Because you do not pay attention in the class. Now, when I'm talking, you are doing something else. Now pay attention when I'm solving it. I'm solving it one more time. Listen to me. Because of stoppage, how many kilometer less? 54 minus 45. So it means 9 kilometer less, right? So 9 by 54. Time is equals to distance upon speed. Yes or no? Time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 9 kilometer, speed is 54 kilometer per hour. So time is equals to 1 by 6 hour. Convert 1 by 6 hour into minutes. Convert it. So 1 by 6 into 60, 10 minutes. Answer is 10 minutes. Because that is not the speed. That is the speed because of the stoppage. Actual speed is 54 kilometer per hour, not 45 kilometer per hour. Because we have to convert hour into minute. Basic calculation. How do you convert minute into hour? How do you convert hour into minute? I told you, na, basic calculation, this conversion. This conversion is here. Unit conversion I taught you. Okay, next question. Question number 6. In a flight of 600 kilometer, In a flight of 600 kilometer, an aircraft was slowed down due to the bad weather. Okay, so there's a flight. How much distance it needs to travel? 600 kilometer, but aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its speed for the trip reduced by 200, okay, kilometer per hour, and the time of the flight increased by 30 minutes. Okay. Let the duration of flight be x. Let's say time is x hours. But because of bad weather, the new time become x plus 30 minutes. 30 minutes in hour is 1 by 2. Half hour. Correct? Is it clear to everyone? Initially time was x hours, but because of bad weather, 30 minutes is increased. 30 minutes is 1 by 2 hours. So x plus 1 by 2 hour. Musamba, the problem with you is you do not pay attention in the class and you talk about rest of the things. Then you do not understand anything and then you keep talking. That is the problem. Okay, so time is x hours and increased by 30 minutes is x plus 1 by 2 hour. Okay, and because of this, the speed reduced by how much? 200 kilometer per hour. So speed 1 minus speed 2 should be equals to 200 kilometer per hour. In the first case, what is the speed? Distance upon time. In the second case, distance upon second time is equals to 200. Just calculate this. Speed 1 minus speed 2 is equals to 200 kilometer per hour, because the question says that the average speed of the trip reduced by 200 kilometer per hour. So speed 1 minus speed 2 is equals to 200. Now the good way of solving is put options in check. Better put options in check. Put 1 in place of x, then check. Put 2 in place of x, then check. Put 3, like this. Put options in check. So what is my equation? My equation is 600 by x minus 600 by x plus 1 by 2. It is equals to 200. What is my option? Option A is 1. So I will put 1. Let's put 1. 600 upon 1 is equals to 600. Sorry, not equal to, minus 600 upon 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 600 minus 600. This will go in numerator. It will become 2 by 3. So 200. 600 minus 400 equals to 200. Yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So which option is correct? First option is correct. Correct, because only by putting option A I am getting the correct answer. Done, everyone?
Okay, next question. Okay, two question take 5 minutes. Read the question properly. If you read the question properly, you'll get the answer. And you just have to make the right equations.
Okay, those who are asking for question number 6, here it is. Answer is option 1. How did we get it? By putting options. We put options and check. A man completes a journey in 10 hours. Okay, let's do question number 7. Everyone? I am not answering any question related to calculator. You have a group, please discuss this among yourself. Again and again you ask me same question. Ask in the group. Okay, question number 7. A man completes a journey in 10 hours. Okay, so total time is 10 hours. He traveled first half of the journey at 21, second half at 24. Total journey in kilometer. Let's say total distance is X. He is doing first half of it with 21 and second half of it at 24. Okay, so what is the time formula? Time is equals to distance upon speed. So what is the distance? Half upon speed plus half upon speed is equals to time 1 plus time 2 is equals to total time 10 hours. Just solve this equation. Please talk to Arva. Arva, please add this new people also. Add all this new student in the group. You can do this after the class. I'll give you 10 minutes after the class to do all the discussion regarding calculator, regarding everything after the class. Okay, after the class. Please pay attention to the class. Okay, solve it. So 1 by 2 x upon 21 plus 1 by 2 x upon 24 is equals to 10. So this 2 will come in denominator, x upon 2 into 21 plus x upon 2 into 24 is equals to 10. X upon 42 plus x upon 48 is equals to 10. LCM of 42 and 48. Take LCM. Can I divide by 2? Yes, 21, 24. Divide by 2 again, 21, 12. Divide by 2 again, 21 and 6. Divide by 2 again, 21 and 3. Divide by 3, 7 and 1. Divide by 7, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. LCM is 336. 336 divided by 42. 8x plus 336 divided by 48. 7x is equals to 10. 8 plus 7, 15x is equals to 10 into 336. Divide by x is equals to 10 into 336 by 15. 336 into 10 divided by 15. X is equals to 224. Distance is 224. What is the length of the journey? 224. Answer is 224. Okay, question number 8. The ratio between the speed of the two trains is 7:8. The second train runs 400 kilometers in 4 hours. 400 kilometer in 4 hours, what is the speed? 400 upon 4, that is 100 kilometer per hour. Hundred kilometer per hour. Ratio of speed of two train is speed 1 upon speed 2 is 7:8. You know speed 2 is train 2 speed. S2 is equals to 100. S1 is equals to 7 into 100 by 8. Option D, 87.5. 87.5. Got it, everyone? Done, everyone? Okay, next question. Two questions. Yes, Arva, tell me. Do these two questions. Okay, okay. These two questions. Solve these two questions. Okay, let's do question number 1. In covering a distance of 30 kilometer, Abhay takes 2 hours more than Samir. Okay, and Abhay doubles his speed. Okay, so let's say Abhay's speed is, let's say, x. Then he doubles his speed, makes 2x. Correct? So first time 30 upon x, second time 30 upon 2x. Right? And the difference is how much? Difference is how much? Tell me. 2 hours more. Correct? And then 1 hour less. So total how much difference? Difference is 3 hours. Yes or no? First, Abhay was taking 2 hours more and now taking 1 hour less. So 2 and then 1 more gap. So 3. Total gap is 3. LCM is x. 30 minus 15 is equals to 3. X is equals to 15 upon 3, 5. 5 kilometer per hour. Answer option A. Got it? Okay. Done, everyone? How did we get this 3? This 1 hour less and 2 hour more. Total gap is 3 hours. Okay, question number 12. Robert is traveling on his cycle and calculated to reach a point A at 2 p.m. If he travels at 10 km per hour, he will reach that there at 12 noon if he travels at 15. Okay, so it means, what is the question saying? If he had travels at 10 and travels at 15, the gap is of how many hours? The gap is of how many hours? 2 hour gap, correct? So it means x is the speed, let's say. X kilometer is the distance, let's say. Distance is x kilometer. So x upon 10, x upon 15. The gap is of how much? 2 hours gap. So this minus this should be 2 hours. Calculate value of x. Calculate value of x. Calculate value of x. Distance is x kilometer. Gap is 2 hours. Calculate value of x. 10 and 15 LCM is 30. 3x minus 2x is equals to 2. X is equals to 60 kilometers. So the distance is 60 kilometers. Correct? Distance is 60 kilometers. Now read the question. 60 kilometer he is doing at 10 kilometer per hour speed. So 60 upon 10, it means normally he taking 6 hours. Okay, and reaching at 2 p.m. So to reach 2 p.m., 6 hours. It means at what time he started? What time he started? After that taking 6 hours, reaching 2 p.m. So what time he is starting? 8 a.m. Very good. Very good. 8 a.m. It means he is starting at 8 a.m. Right? From 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. 6 hours. Okay. Now read the question. He needs to reach at 1 p.m. It means 1 hour less. 2 p.m. is 6 hours. 1 p.m. is 1 hour less. It means 5 hours. Yes or no? 5 hours? And distance is how much? 60 kilometer. 60 kilometers in 5 hours. What should be the speed? 60 kilometer in 5 hours. What should be the speed? Very good. Yes, very good. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. 60 kilometer in 5 hours. 60 upon 5, that is 12 kilometer per hour. Twelve kilometer per hour. Done, everyone? Yes, Arva, ask me. Go ahead, ask me. Those who are joining new in this batch, please understand one thing, that you have to go on YouTube. I'll tell you where you need to go on YouTube. I'll tell you, see, you go on YouTube. And then you search for Step Up Learning. Go on Step Up Learning and then go to videos. Go to videos. See, you will find lot of videos on this. Okay, so those who have joined late, please go watch videos. Okay, finish video on percentage and profit and loss. Find the video for percentage and profit and loss. Okay. Partnership, Arva, I have done partnership in the class. I have done partnership in the class. So if you have missed that class, please check the video on YouTube. You will find it. Partnership. Okay. I've done it just after ratio and proportion, I guess, or after averages. So you'll find all the videos here for the Pragati exam. See, Pragati exam, Pragati exam. So all these topics are covered here. So please go watch video. All the new students, please go watch videos for percentage and profit and loss. Okay, next question. New student, don't worry, everything will be clear to you. First of all the new student, please talk to Arva. She'll add you to the group. Okay, Arva, please add all the new students to the group. No, logarithm is not in the syllabus, so don't worry. I'll give you the syllabus once again. Those who have missed in the last class, I'll give you the syllabus. Gaurav, Arva has created one WhatsApp group for all the students. Okay, so please ask Arva to add you to the group. Zishan, wait a minute for that. Arva has given the link to the group in the chat. Everyone, please see chat. Arva has given the group link in the chat box. Please check in the chat box. Can you see the group link? Everyone, can you see the group link Arva has given? Yes, please join that group. Yes, very good. Arva, please, you can post in the group link for YouTube videos also. So though if you are watching videos for anything, just put the link in the group so that others can also watch it. Yes. Yes, I'll write the syllabus for you. So syllabus is for logical reasoning, sitting arrangements, blood relation, direction sense, series and sequence. Series and sequence we did yesterday, remember? Okay, syllogist, Venn diagram, ranking, puzzles, coding and decoding, clocks and calendar. Okay, so we have done sitting arrangement, blood relation, direction is done, series and sequence is done, coding and decoding is done, and calendars is done. So this many topics are done. Those that topic is done. Now those who are new students, how will you watch these videos? These topics are done. So how will you go and check? Go on YouTube, check Step Up Learning, and watch videos on this platform. You will find all these videos. Sitting arrangement, blood relation, direction, series and sequence, coding and decoding, clocks and calendars. All these topics which are done, you will find on YouTube. You have to search over there. Please go search over there. You'll find all the videos. Arva, can you help Arva and who else? Zishan. Zishan, Arva, Pranita, can you find this videos topic for these videos on YouTube? And please put the link on the group. Zishan, you there? Pranita. Yes, Pranita, Zishan, and Arva. Okay, you three will find out these videos. Okay, you three will find out these videos. Which one? Setting arrangement, blood relation, direction, series and sequence, coding and decoding. Okay, and put the link in the group so that rest of the people also watch this topics. Okay. Now coming to the quantitative aptitude. Next is quantitative aptitude. Okay. Algebra, averages, equation, geometry, numbers, HCF and LCM, partnership, profit and loss, percentage, ratio and proportion, time, speed, distance, time and work, simple interest, compound interest, permutation and combination. So all this topic. Now out of this, what all topics we have done? We have done numbers, we have done LCM, HCF, we have done percentage, we have done partnership, we have done averages. What else we have done? We have done ratio, proportion, time and work is also done. Time and distance. Today we did one class. One more class I will do on time and speed and distance. So next class also time, speed and distance. Okay. So please find these videos on YouTube
Please find this videos on YouTube and watch these videos. Once the entire syllabus is finished, so only which topics are left? Here only syllogism, Venn diagram, ranking is left, puzzles. I did some puzzles, not all. So we will do puzzles also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 topics, and then this is also done. 1, 2, 3. When we finish all the topic, we'll start revision also, because your exam is in the month of July, right? So till that we will do revision. Okay. You have to search. You have to search, Elijah. There is no other way. You have to search the videos and find. I think like more people will help each other, then I guess it is possible. Wait a minute. Let me see. And this is my video. See, this one is my video. Wait, I'll share the link. Everyone, please see this. I'm putting the link in the chat box. This is my video. No, equations we will do again. I just now given link to all of you. Okay, that is profit and loss. Profit and loss. This is profit and loss class. See this, I've given you profit and loss topic. So you will find videos, you just have to find, you have to do search. You will find videos, it's not that difficult. SII is also done now. Wait, I'll give you link for revision of averages. See, I'm finding all the videos easily. It's not that difficult. See, I've given you revision for averages, revision of averages. Okay, I find the very first class numbers also. Wait, I'll give you the link for numbers also. Numbers. Please check all the links I'm giving in the chat box. Okay, this is video for numbers. Okay, so everything is done in numbers. All right, guys. It's not difficult to find. Sachin, please do not fight among yourselves. I'm not taking responsibility of that. Arva is doing a lot of things for all of you, so be at least a little bit thankful to her that she has made this group and she is adding all the students there. Okay. I understand, Arva. I understand. Okay, add everyone and please share information with each other. Okay, it is good to share information with each other. If you find some videos, if you go to the YouTube and if you find, let's say you find video on average, or let's say you find video on simple interest and compound interest. So share with others. Arva, you do one thing, you make a one mute group where only admin can post. Arva and Pranita, I'm giving you responsibility for this. Make a group where only admin can, the rest of the people can only see the messages, right? So do one thing, Pranita and Arva, you talk to each other, coordinate and make a group where you only put the messages. Nobody can reply it. Rest of the people can only read only mode. Okay. And you can put links. Oh, this is funny. Guys, you have very little time. Your exam is in the month of July. June is almost about to over. It is 21st June today. You have another 9 days in June, then some days in July, right? Instead of wasting time on silly things, rather study. Arva, anyone misbehave, just remove that person from the group. If anyone misbehaves, you can easily throw that person out of the group. Yes, Esther, all you have to do is watch videos. Watch videos and practice. It's all about practice. The syllabus is very small. It is not a huge syllabus. Syllabus is very little, but you have to practice a lot. Watch the previous videos and practice. Watch numbers. Numbers is a very important topic. I've given you link to the number, right? Watch numbers, percentage, profit and loss, all these videos. Done, everyone? Coding and decoding topic is done. Go watch the video. Video is there on the YouTube. All right, guys. I'm ending today's session. See you in the next class.